When you're trying to see something far away, like a bird in a distant tree, a hunter spotting game, or a person watching a sporting event, a cheap pair of binoculars gives you a blurry, dark, and shaky picture. That's why a great pair of binoculars is an essential tool. They give you powerful zoom and a bright, sharp picture that actually makes faraway things look close and clear, which is way more fun. So, in this video, I'm going through the 7 best binoculars that are designed to give you a reliable, amazing view for anything you want to look at. These binoculars not only bring objects closer, but are also built tough to handle rain and bumps, use special glass to make images brighter, and are comfortable to hold for a long time. Whether you just need something small and easy to carry for concerts and trips, or the best of the best with advanced features like extra bright glass and special coatings for seeing clearly in low light like dawn or dusk, I'll have something for everyone. You'll find links to the best prices for all the binoculars mentioned in this video in the description and top comment. Also, these binoculars aren't ranked in any specific order, so be sure to watch until the end to find the one that best fits your needs. Number 7 is the Vortex Diamondback HD 8x42. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list. If you want a solid pair of binoculars that perform well without breaking the bank, this one's hard to beat. The 8x magnification and 42mm lenses give you clear, detailed views, whether you're birdwatching, hiking, or just checking out the scenery. Plus, the HD optical system reduces color distortion and gives sharp, bright images, even in low light. The lenses are fully multi-coated, so you get better light transmission. There's even a dielectric coating that helps keep colors true to life, and the outside is also very impressive. It has a rubber armor that gives you a solid non-slip grip. It's built to handle bumps, rain, and fog. Not only this, it's waterproof, fog-proof, and shock-proof, so you won't need to baby it. Plus, it's tripod adaptable if you want a steadier view. Comfort-wise, the twist-up eye cups make it easy to use whether you wear glasses or not, and the center focus wheel lets you adjust both barrels at once. There's also a diopter adjustment for fine-tuning each eye, and I love that it comes with Vortex's unlimited lifetime VIP warranty. If anything ever breaks or gets damaged, they'll repair or replace it, no questions asked. One buyer wrote, "These feel very high quality and very comfortable in the hand. I can focus clearly and watch insects 6 feet away in the bush outside my window. I think most recommend 7 or 8 times for smaller binoculars, but I have no problem holding the 10x32 still enough at huge distances, and I enjoy the extended reach, incredibly clear and well lit. I've had these for almost 2 years. I use them frequently, and I love them overall. It's a great deal for the quality you're getting." Number 6 is the Knox Provisions 8x25 waterproof. This is best for beginners on our list. If you're going to buy binoculars for the very first time and want something easy to use, lightweight, and also tough for any adventure, this one's perfect. At under 12 ounces, it's small enough to fit in your pocket, but gives you bright, clear views due to its 8x magnification and 25mm lenses. The optics are fully multi-coated, which means every lens surface has multiple layers that cut glare and boost color clarity, so whether you're looking at birds, mountains, or the night sky, everything looks sharp from edge to edge. The Swiss-designed back 4 prism also helps bring out details and brightness even in low light. And it's waterproof, fog-proof, and shock-proof too, rated IPX7, so it can survive being dropped in water for up to 30 minutes and still work fine. Inside, it's sealed with nitrogen gas, so it never fogs up. The rubber rugged wave grip design makes it comfortable to hold, even if your hands are wet. It also has twist-up eye cups with 3 positions, which is also great for glasses wearers. You can even line up your phone camera with the lenses to snap some great photos. And Knox backs it with their no matter what lifetime warranty, so you can roam freely without worry. Overall, it's an awesome starter pair for anyone who just wants to get out and explore. Number 5 is the Zeiss Victory SF 10x42. This is the most premium option on our list. These are high-end binoculars and have all the features you can think of. The Victory SF 10x42 is for people who want the best image quality and precision, whether you're birdwatching, hunting, or exploring. It's powered by Zeiss's Ultra FL glass system. It uses special fluoride elements from shot to give you insane color accuracy, brightness, and fine detail, even in low light or harsh conditions. Every lens also gets a custom Zeiss T coating to boost contrast and keep images sharp during dawn or dusk when most binoculars start to struggle. And it's not only about what you see, it's how it feels. The body is made from lightweight magnesium alloy and perfectly balanced so it feels steady in your hands even after long use. The focus wheel is smooth and locks into sharpness instantly, so you don't waste time fine-tuning. The Lotutech coating repels rain, dust, and smudges from sticking to the lenses and gives you a clear view in any weather. You also get a huge field of view that makes scanning landscapes feel natural, and the close focus lets you see tiny details up close. Price-wise, these are definitely an investment, but overall, if you want pro-level performance and pure visual clarity, this is as good as it gets. Number 4 is the Nikon Monarch M78x42. These binoculars are best for bird watching on our list. If you love spotting birds but can't focus before they fly out of sight, this pair fixes that. The Monarch M7 gives you a wide field of view up to 435 feet at 1,000 yards, so you can easily track fast-moving birds or wildlife without losing them in the frame. The 8x42 setup means you get 8 times magnification with big 42mm lenses that pull in more light, so your view stays bright and sharp even in low light at dawn or dusk. Inside, Nikon uses ED glass and multi-layer lens coatings that make colors pop and details stand out clearly. Even when you're looking at a tiny bird in the shade or a far-off landscape, they're also made for comfort. The twist-up eye cups and smooth central focus knob make it easy to adjust quickly, and despite being full-sized binoculars, they're lightweight and balanced, so you can hold them steady for long periods without feeling tired. Durability-wise, they're waterproof and fog-proof with a tough rubber armor for grip and protection. The lenses also have an oil and water-repellent coating, so smudges and rain wipe right off. This is perfect for unpredictable weather outdoors. Overall, if you want clear, wide, and color-rich views for your next birding trip, the Nikon Monarch M78x42 is a perfect fit. And if you want to know the latest prices for the binoculars discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're enjoying this video, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. Number 3 is the Vortex Viper HD 8x42. This is the best for most people on our list. These binoculars give you great image quality without paying a premium price. The 8 times magnification and 42mm lenses give you a bright and crisp view that works great for bird watching, hunting, or just enjoying nature. It gives you tons of detail and color accuracy even in low light due to its high-density glass and XR anti-reflective coatings. They pull in light beautifully during dawn or dusk, and it's durable too. The rubber armored body has deep thumb indents that make it comfortable and steady to hold, even with gloves on or in wet weather. Plus, it's also waterproof, fog-proof, and shock-resistant, like most options on our list. It's protected by ArmorTech coating, which keeps out scratches, oil, and dirt. Also focusing is quick and smooth with the central focus wheel, and there's a locking right eye diopter that lets you fine-tune each barrel to your eyesight. The twist-up eye cups make it easy to use whether you wear glasses or not. It even comes with a glass-packed chest harness, so you can carry it comfortably and have it ready to grab in seconds. And lastly, it's backed by Vortex's unlimited lifetime VIP warranty. Overall, it's an incredible deal for the quality you're getting. Number 2 is the Celestron Nature DX 8x42. This is the best value for money option on our list. With 8 times magnification on these binoculars, you can spot details clearly while keeping your view stable and easy to follow. The 42mm lenses let in plenty of light, so everything looks bright and sharp even in early morning or cloudy conditions. The image quality is impressive for the price. The fully multi-coated lenses boost brightness and color accuracy, and the phase-coated Bay K4 prisms help you see crisp, clear details with no weird color shifts. It's the kind of clarity that makes spotting birds or distant objects way more fun. The build feels solid too, and the rubber armor gives a nice grip. It's also waterproof and fog-proof, so rain or humidity won't mess with it. You can even mount it on a tripod using the adapter socket for a steadier view. Price-wise, it's a steal for what you get, and since it's backed by Celestron's lifetime warranty and US-based support, you don't really have to worry about long-term use overall. It's one of those rare finds that delivers bright views, solid build, and great value. Number 1 is the Swarovski EL 8.5 by 42. This is the best overall option on our list. The image quality of these binoculars is outstanding. It gives you 8.5 times magnification, which is a perfect balance of zoom and steadiness. While the 42mm lenses pull in tons of light for sharp, bright, and color-accurate views, even at dawn or dusk, Swarovski is known for their glass clarity. Its lenses have special coatings that keep colors true and natural. It doesn't have any green or tinted tones that throw things off. Comfort-wise, it's really well designed. The open bridge body fits naturally in your hands, and the rubber armor adds a solid non-slip grip. You also get long 20mm eye relief, which makes it comfortable to use even if you wear glasses. Plus, it's built tough and is ready for all-weather use. In the box, you get a field bag, covers for both lenses, and a lift-carrying strap. Now, it's not cheap, but for professionals or anyone who wants top-tier optics, it's hard to beat. Here's what Frank says: "I bought these binoculars as a present for my wife. We are avid outdoors people, birders and hunters, and appreciate the clarity, functionality, and quality of these top-shelf binoculars. Everything is smooth and tight, from the eyepiece adjustments to the focus knob to the hinge. The carry strap system is highly engineered but simple and secure, and the ergonomics are exceptional. My wife absolutely loves them, and we are looking forward to using them on future birding adventures. They are expensive but worth every penny." Overall, the Swarovski EL 8.5 by 42 isn't just another binocular. It's the standard for clarity, build quality, and all-around performance. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect binoculars. And if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each binoculars. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.